welcome to all. Today in this video I am going to make a topic of pair of linear equations in two variables. Here in this topic we are going to discuss about introduction of pair of linear equations, then second one, methods of solving the pair of linear equations. In that methods of solving the pair of linear equations, again there are three methods. First one, substitution method, elimination method, then cross multiplication method. Introduction of pair of linear equations in two variables. Here variable. What is a variable? Variable means a literal number which changes its value according to the situation is called a variable. Now here consider an example 2x. In this 2x, 2 is called constant, x is called variable. Then variable means it changes its value according to the situation is called a variable. Constant means it is a fixed value. Now equation means an algebraic expression which having equal sign is called a equation. An algebraic expression which having equal sign is called a equation. Means for example 3x is equal to 7. Here in 3x is equal to 7, this example is having equal sign, or 3x is an algebraic expression. This algebraic expression is having equal sign. Therefore, it is an example of equation. Then consider another one example. 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. It is also example of equation. Now another one, 8m is equal to 16. 8m is equal to 16. It is also example of equation because of it is having equal sign. Now here we know that what is a variable, what is a equation. Now we are going to study about linear equation. What is a linear equation? For example, here in 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. In this example, highest degree of the variable is 1. Therefore, it is called linear equation. Because of the highest degree of the variable 1 is called linear equation. What is linear equation? An algebraic expression which having highest degree of the variable 1 is called linear equation. Then here linear equation in one variable. What is linear equation in one variable? Yes, exactly, it is a linear equation which having only one variable, then it is called a linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable means a linear equation which having only one variable, then it is called a linear equation in one variable. Now for example 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. In this linear equation, it is having only one variable. Therefore, it is an example of a linear equation in one variable. Then another one, 5m plus 7 is equal to 10. It is also example of a linear equation in one variable. For one variable means it is having only one variable. Now we are going to study about simplest form of linear equation in one variable. That simplest form is ax plus b is equal to 0. ax plus b is equal to 0. It is a simplest form of a linear equation in one variable. Here a and b are any two real numbers and x is a variable. Now consider linear equation in two variables. Here linear equation in two variables means a linear equation which having only two variables. Then it is called linear equation in two variables. For example, consider this some examples. Examples are 2x plus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. It is an example of a linear equation in two variables because of it is having two variables. X and y are the two variables. Now consider another one example. 3m plus 4n is equal to 8. It is an example of a linear equation in two variables. Then next 8z plus 9y is equal to 15. It is also example of a linear equation in two variables. Now consider the simplest form of a linear equation in two variables. That simplest form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is a simplest form of a linear equation in two variables. Now consider another examples. 4x plus 5y is equal to 10. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. Now here in these two examples, x and y are the variables. In these two equations, it is having two variables. Therefore, these two equations are called linear equations in two variables because of equation 1 is having two variables. Therefore, it is called linear equation in two variables. Then equation 2 is also having two variables. Therefore, it is called linear equation in two variables. Now here both equations are called pair of linear equations in two variables because both equations having two variables, both are linear equations. Therefore these two equations are called pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay students, in this class we have learned about the introduction of a pair of linear equations in two variables. In next class we are going to study about methods of solving the pair of linear equations. Thank you for watching this video.